Hello and welcome to ATI 4448 Project Management and Senior Design 1. Senior Design 1 is a course that integrates both product design and development from an engineering point of view and the techniques and tools required to manage such an engineering project. The lectures will include some of the methods used to collect customer needs and translate those needs into design requirements or product specifications. At the same time, project management approach will be used to schedule tasks and ensure that those activities are completed on time and within budget under certain limitations. Project Management and Senior Design 1 and 2 are capstone courses that will assist students in tying different course material they had from other courses over the past couple of years. The courses will provide the chance to apply knowledge gained from other courses to develop a new product that is not in the market yet or an improvement for an existing product. Students will go through the process of designing, developing, planning, executing, and delivering a product with uncertainty and risk surrounding the outcomes over 2 semesters period. You will be working in teams. You will have my assistant, and you will have an advisor, faculty advisor, and you will have other resources that will be available for you on campus to produce a prototype, functioning prototype by the end of the first semester. Don't hesitate to ask questions, understand requirements, and utilize resources. These 2 courses sequence will assist in developing new skills and enhancing existing skills. My name is Professor Yusuf and I will be your instructor for the course. Please feel free to contact me via email, phone, or through virtual office hours using Microsoft Teams. Please take the time to view, read, and understand all the provided material. 99% of your questions are addressed in the syllabus and the course content. My office hours are posted under the Announcements tab through the online learning system and in the syllabus. For easy access to the course material, all course activities has been listed under course content. There will be no textbook for this course since many resources have been used to create and develop the course material. You can use the references provided here, the optional material, to understand more and also you can use the slides to get additional details about the subject. The course is online, so all course material will be available for you through the online learning system. You have your homepage actually displays the different courses where you can click on your course of interest to access course information. I suggest that you navigate through the different tabs to familiarize yourself with the course organization. In addition, I would suggest that you log in at least once every day to stay current with course requirements and changes and look for announcements. For easy access, all course material, including assignments, discussions, quizzes, presentation, lectures, and supplemental material, have been posted under the Course Content tab through different modules. The modules will be released on weekly basis as the semester progresses. You need to access your online courses daily to check for the latest updates and due dates. The syllabus quiz should be completed during the first week. It will be used to verify your attendance and understanding to course requirements. Failing to complete the quiz could lead to purging from the course and you will not be able to view other course materials. All students are required to complete a weekly discussion which should be due by Sunday of each week. Make every attempt to post your initial response by the middle of the module week and respond to at least one of your peers' posts by the end of the week. The first week will not include a discussion since it's just a course, the course information. The discussion posting will begin from week 2. So that discussion postings will begin week 2. The first week syllabus quiz will be enough to identify that you are enrolled in the course. The second week will be the weekly discussion. The weekly discussion is to answer the questions posted and reply to at least one of your peers' posts before the end of the submission period. You will get half the points if you did not reply to your peers. The questions should be answered after reviewing the course material. As stated before, it's required to complete this weekly discussion. If you missed that submission period, your grade for that week will be 0 and there is no makeup for the discussion. Use the provided channels to communicate with the instructor. You can email, call, or use Microsoft Teams during office hours. The more communication you have with the instructor, the better understanding of the course material and the course project. Email messages should have the subject as the name of the course and the problem you have. Use professional language and professional words when writing your email. Each assignment has guidelines and requirements. Make sure to read assignment requirements and submit before due date and time. Do not submit via email. Late assignments will not be accepted unless you have a valid excuse. At that point, I will require documentation to verify your late submission. Use the following format for assignment name submission. You will have the assignment name, assignment number like A1 underscore 4448 underscore your last name. Points will be subtracted for your grade from your grade if you did not follow this format. It's very important as engineers to submit reports according to requirements and with accuracy. All assignments should be submitted in Microsoft Word or PDF format unless instructed otherwise. There will be 2 exams through the whole semester, midterm and a final. Both exams will have true, false, and multiple choice questions. The final will include all chapters within the course material. You will not be able to start your final until you finish your peer evaluation first. The group project will be divided into 3 group projects or project assignments that should be submitted over the progress of the course. Although it will be collaborative teamwork, everyone in the team should submit his or her own copy of the group assignment. Points will be subtracted for failing to submit your own copy of the project assignment. Although you will be using software packages, your assignment should be submitted in Microsoft Word format or PDF. It's like a report, you need to submit it within that format. To include charts, graphs, data, tables, or any other material developed from the other software packages that you are using, you must take screenshots and then paste it in the Microsoft Word or the PDF report that you are writing. The group assignment naming format should be PA1, PA2, PA3 underscore 4448 underscore your last name. Again, points will be subtracted for improper naming. The project report should be submitted with the proper grammar and correct spelling. You have to explain everything that you added in the report. So if you have graphs, you explain it. If you have tables, you need to explain it. If you have charts, you need to explain it. So I will know exactly what are you talking about in those charts and those graphs or figures. If you need help in writing the report, we have resources in the college. We have the writing center that can assist you in writing the report. It's very important to work and submit all course activities. Having high grades in an exam does not mean that you will pass the course. All activities are designed to complement each other and to assist in the learning process. If you have questions about the grades, email me directly and I will be more than glad to answer your question. Grade concerns should not be posted in the discussion area. Passing the course should be with a grade of C or higher. Project Management and Scenery Design 1 is a capstone course that is part of a sequence of 2 courses developed to assist you in employing skills and knowledge learned from other classes in a real-life scenario. It includes project design and development, and it includes the skills required to plan, execute, monitor, and control and close a project. You will be able to define the problem, find alternative solutions, perform a research, and select the proper solution. You will learn some of the tools, techniques, and methods used in the process of designing, developing, and managing the production of goods and services. You will learn how to work in a team, how to communicate with the client and manage their expectation, and how to develop a professional report. The objective of the course is to implement the concepts of project management in an engineering project scenario with all uncertainties and constraints. The customer needs will be identified and alternative solutions will be proposed. A product will be designed and components will be identified. The components of that product will be identified. The activities required to design, develop, and produce one unit will be identified and schedule will be developed. Resources will be assigned to activities which will assist in defining the cost of producing one unit. You will work with a team as a member or as a leader, and you will learn how to communicate professionally and efficiently with your team and with the client. You will be required to develop written reports, and you will be required to present your findings and develop a prototype. More information will be addressed in the project lecture, so you will know the expectation of the project. At the beginning of the semester, we start learning about product design and development. Part of the process is to identify the activities required to create a product and plan for the execution of these activities. The planning will include finding the duration of each activity, the resources needed to complete each activity, and the cost associated with each activity. Planning will assist you in finishing the project within schedule, within budget, and according to specifications. Identifying the human resources needed to complete the project will assist in identifying the skills required. Tasks will be assigned based on available skills. Otherwise, a training will be required to get the person to the level needed. During the process of creating the product, we need to address product quality, risk, and uncertainty associated with the new product, and the process of delivering a successful product that will be accepted by the client. The team should be communicating with everyone involved in the project through different communication channels to ensure capturing requirements and needs. Although the project will be closed at the end of the Senior Design 2, we will learn how to close the project through submitting documentation reports and a working prototype by the end of the first semester. Part of the learning process will be using different software packages as tools that you can use, either software packages that's been provided by the college or any software tool available on the net. The software provided by the college, which will be free, is Microsoft Project for project planning and implementation, and Microsoft Visio for graphical representation and network diagrams. To plan and execute the project properly, we need to learn how to use these software packages or any available package. You will receive an email with the link to download and install the required software on your machine. You will be also using Microsoft Teams to communicate with your team members and with the instructor. That will be all for this session. If you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. Thank you and have a great day.